guys, we're making slime.
Okay.
Yeah, we're making slime.
We add the glue first.
Yeah, we add the glue.
No, we don't want that pink paint.
No, yes, we do.
Ugly. Yes. No, that's so dark.
We need purple.
Okay.
We got our font. We got our colors.
Gonna add the glue.
Oh. Yep, that's good. I think that's good.
No, it just needs to end dripping. Stop dripping. Stop dripping.
Yeah. Okay, it's good. Now we add this paint color.
Now add the paint. I'll get a spoon.
Okay, you gonna get the spoon first.
Okay, add the paint. Don't add too much. That's good. That's good for now.
Oh, it's chunky.
Okay, I need a spoon. Okay. Add in the purple. Oh, yo, it's purple. That's more. All right.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
We got the purple.
A lot of that. Okay, that should be good mixture. You want to add another color, like pink?
Yeah, we need to add some blue and green.
No, just blue.
Okay, blue. Okay.
Add the
Now
blue.
we're gonna add the
I
blue.
only need one spoon. I'll add the paint.
Okay.
Oh. I thought it got on my shirt. Go on. Do we have any blue? I don't think we have any blue.
Okay, we add this blue then.
Oh, this thing. Oh,
Yeah, we got that blue now.
I'm so scared. Ow, I put myself.
Okay,
It's
there's
wet.
Oh, it's the perfect
color.
Add that.
Oh, we gotta add Steve. That is a beautiful color. Wait, you gotta show them.
Yeah.
Look at that beautiful color. Okay, I'm gonna add some Stay Flow.
Okay.
Get that paint on the side. Bring it in a little bit. Okay, add it a little bit. Keep on snoring. Keep on snoring. Look at these paints. Okay, should we add some more?
Yeah.
Okay. Just gonna add a little bit. Tiny bit.
Now we stir with our
Okay, I'll
hands.
go in a little bit with my hands.
There you go. It's like stuck to the ground. I'll stir this a little bit. Never mind, you stir it. Okay,
Just have to play with it for a little bit.
Okay, put it back in.
Look how good this slime is.
Okay. Now we're gonna add a little bit more.
Go get the spoon. Get the spoon.
Should I just clean it?
Yeah, go clean the spoon, but bring it back. keep on mixing this so it doesn't get sticky.
Okay, I brought the spoon.
Okay.
Now we're gonna add.
No, we don't need more color.
Okay. Wait, we gotta add texture to it. With this broken paintbrush.
No, that won't work well.
Okay, whatever. So, now we're gonna add the red glitter.
No, don't add the red glitter.
Yes, we are. We're adding the red glitter.
No, we're not adding the red glitter.
Yes, red glitter right here. Okay.
We're not adding no red glitter. No, we'll not add the red glitter. Stop. Don't add the glitter.
Ah!
We don't need glitter.
Yes, we do.
No, we don't.
This is barf. Should I say it?
No. Okay.
Never mind.
Never mind.
This is mushed up strawberries.
Our little sister made that barf one. We don't want to show you it because she came over and grabbed it. Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands. We'll keep on stirring. Well, look at this.
Uh-huh.
This is cool.
Ah. I just noticed that Ollie has like so much slime in his house.
Not that much.
Or like 4 containers.
I used to have like 6 containers. My dad and one boy. Well, can you make paper towel?
My hands are sticky. Okay, Ollie, you keep stirring. I'm gonna wash my.
I have to wash my hands.
Oh my.
I clean my hands right now.
But ours, there's like so much glue in the sink.
I know. So that's fine now, but. Oh, yeah. Well, mix it with the spoon when you're done. I have a lot.
Okay, guys, we're mixing the slime.
And we're going to add some salt for fun.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, what the heck?
I know.
Oh, add the salt. Okay, there we go. And we mix it up. And then we taste it. Okay.
We didn't taste it.
Yeah.
Or did we?
Because we're not retards.
Yeah, we're not retards. It's just kind of sticky, actually.
What the fudge?
That was Lila.
Is a key.
Stop. I just got this all off.
So much slime.
We need to add more activator.
Yeah. 100%.
This is sticky. Hey, what are we doing again?
Add a more activator, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, this is so much slime on my hand.
Oh, that's so satisfying. All you do is. No, look. You left the spoon in.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, this box in
You took so much slime with it.
R.I.P. Bring that slime back.
Too late.
Oh.
10 minutes, Will. In 10 minutes. Well, turn the battery thing off.
No battery thing.
I have 20 battery left. Hurry up. Okay, we're back.
Wait, did you add more?
Yeah, okay. So it's like this. Gotta do this. Yeah, you make them happy. Dance for them. Keep on dancing. Oh, okay, stretching. This is so bad. It's nice. Okay, we'll start mixing.
Well, we're gonna add toilet paper because I want to.
What? Why?
I don't know, I want to. Okay, guys, we're adding toilet paper. So, I'll be right back. Keep on working. Yes.
It's like this little one. Okay. So we're adding toilet paper. Just mix that in. They're forming. See? I'll keep on adding little pieces while you do that. It's forming. It was a good idea, that toilet paper. Imagine if we used toilet paper. What the heck? That's a paper. See, we'll feel it stick. It worked. Feel it. I got it all. Oh, I know what you do. You just rip it up. Then you add it back in. Oh, it's kind of satisfying, actually. Okay, well, let me do it now. Ah! Oh! I'm gonna get it. Okay, let's... Smart that. Ooh. Imagine.
And then we add the glitter.
No, stop. Yeah, we added the glitter. Okay. That was a dumb idea, but we added the glitter.
Oh no, it's turning pink.
Wait, let's go add some, let's go add some pink. Yeah, let's go add some pink. Okay, I'm gonna put some, I'm gonna put some pink on it. Okay. Ooh, okay. Okay, so it's out of the bag. Turn that battery thing off. And hey, there's our slime. we had a lot of slime, so we had another bag over there. But we made it pink. And yeah, here's our slime. Okay, I'm gonna hold it up. There's our slime. Nice and stretchy. With the toilet paper, red glitter, we turned it pink. There we go. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.